Hi there, this is Michael from IBM. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on getting started with IBM Journey Designer. The first screen we're presented after logging in is the Storyboard list page. When using Journey Designer, you organize all of your work into storyboards. Think of storyboards as individual marketing efforts that are tied to a particular segment or business goal. Here, you can see that I have a few storyboards for my various marketing initiatives. Each storyboard has characteristics like the person who created it, due dates and in-market dates, and the number of comments that have been added by various team members. Storyboards can also be made public for all users or kept private for just the creator to view and work with. I could launch one of these storyboards by clicking on its name, but instead I'm going to create a new storyboard from scratch with the help from my colleague Sarah. We'll use this new storyboard to design a customer experience around a webinar we have planned. The storyboard is the main organizing principle of Journey Designer. But before we start designing customer experiences, let's take a quick tour of the interface. First, I'm going to give my storyboard a name. Next, I'm going to add some basic information to my storyboard. I'm going to pick a market segment, pick a business goal, and enter a budget for the experience we're about to design. Storyboards are private by default, but when you make them public, anyone with access to your organization's Journey Designer account can work with them. On the right side of the canvas, you'll see some canvas tools. Here we have grouping boxes, arrows, and text boxes. We also have online interactions like email, landing pages, mobile push notifications, pay-per-click ads, SMS, and social. And finally, offline interactions like custom interactions, direct mail, display advertising, live events, sales interactions, and telesales. I'm now ready to start the design process, but I'm not going to do that alone. My colleague Sarah, who can now see my storyboard in her storyboard list view, will join me and help me with the design process. As you can see on the bottom right, Sarah is logged into my storyboard already. She'll be able to work with me as we proceed with the design of our customer experience. Let's say we've been asked to sign up current customers for an upcoming webinar. So here's my plan. We'll want to send an announcement email to them inviting them to visit a special web landing page to learn more and register for the webinar. We'll also want to remind customers who have not replied yet to the announcement email. Finally, I'll want to send a thank you email or a mobile push the day after the webinar, thanking everyone for attending and providing a link to the webinar replay. So, let's go to the palette on the right side of the canvas and drag the following interaction icons onto the canvas itself. Now, I'm going to group these interactions into journey stages. I'll use the Tools palette to help me organize the interactions on the canvas. Now, we're going to configure the interactions in these journey stages by adding details to the email and landing page interactions. Sarah will be working simultaneously on the interactions on the reminder and post-event stages, while I configure the register stage. I can also ask Sarah a question via the collaboration feature. If I ever forget how to do something within Journey Designer, I can always click on Help to launch the IBM Knowledge Center and get the answers that I need. If I have feedback for the Journey Designer team, I can click the Feedback button to submit a question or comment. I now want to check that my due dates and my in-market dates look good. To do that, I'll select the Storyboard Timeline view. The Storyboard Timeline presents a day-by-day view of the interaction dates you've entered. I can see when internal due dates are coming up and when each interaction is going to market. Everything looks good here. The storyboard is ready to be implemented in whatever execution tools my organization uses. IBM Marketing Cloud customers are already connected to the Send experience to build, test, and schedule the emails, landing pages, and mobile push notifications that need to go out. As you can see, Journey Designer is easy to use in collaboration with others. You can design multi-channel experiences in a matter of minutes. And with that, we conclude our Journey Designer demonstration. We hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and join our Customer Experience Design group on LinkedIn to ask questions, learn best practices, and give feedback. Thanks for watching.